Good morning everybody. This is another video in my channel. Today we'll be learning about the HTML skeleton. So let's start. I'll be typing the code in the screen. I am using Visual Studio Code as to type my HTML code. First, I'll open a folder of my choice and make a new file. And inside that, I will type index.html. .html is really important, but you don't need to give index. You can give any name. And next, inside, you can give, if you want to, it's optional actually, doc type semicolon HTML and close it. This is actually just to give that this is the HTML page. And second, we will open the HTML tag, angular bracket HTML, and inside that you will give the title tag, and before the title tag you give the head. The head inside the head, most of which you give are important. So inside the head I'll be giving the title, which will be the title of the tab, and inside the title I will give HTML. You can give any name you want. It's not that you should give HTML, CSS or anything. You can give any name you want. And after that, you should close the title tag. And if you're going to add CSS in this, you might as well give link space rel. And inside rel, you should give the CSS part. And close the tag, come out of head, and open body. Inside body, you might as well add paragraph, section, or a div. If you give section, this will be like divided into specific parts of the page. First section, second section, third section. But you don't need to give section. It's optional. It's just to differentiate between parts of the code. For now, I'll just add section, and inside section, I'll go paragraph. Inside the paragraph, you can type anything you want. It's basically the skeleton code. So we might as well do something. I will give text color also. I'll give text color inside the paragraph, and go into and make a new file. Style.css. This is a CSS where you can edit, design all the colors, spacings, and every detail you need in your web page. And now for the CSS, you will give paragraph, short for P, and open curly brackets, and inside the curly brackets, I will give color, cordon, and any color I want, blue, red, orange, anything. I'll give my favorite color, aqua, and give a semicolon to close it. After I give a semicolon, I'll press enter and give a size. I'll give the text font size as we'll give it as 30. It's pretty large, 30 px, and give a semicolon. That's it. And go into the index.html and run it. Here you see the title of the page, which I set as HTML at the top, and after that you see the text color, which is highlighted which is given in blue. This is HTML skeleton. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.